Hello everyone, welcome back to Nailog. In today's video, we are answering your gel nail strip dilemmas. These include questions such as why they come off easily, how to pick a size, and whether they can be used as nail extensions. By the end, you will know exactly how to apply them, like a pro for long-lasting, flawless results. Question 1. What to do before applying nail strips? First, trim your cuticles with nail tools. Prevents lifting at the base. Second, file nails to your desired shape. Third, buff the nail surface, creates texture for better adhesion. Fourth, clean with alcohol wipes. Removes oils and dirt for max stick. Question 2. Why do nail strips peel off easily? Mistake 1. Dirty nails, oil and dirt ruin the nail strip viscosity. Mistake 2. Glossy surface, nail strips do not have enough adhesion. Mistake 3. Applying nail strip without pressing and curing immediately. The nail stirrup don't adhere properly to the nail surface, leading to lifting and peeling off. Let's get it right. Clean nails and buff surface. Press edges hard for 10 seconds with your fingers and stick. Make the nail strip fit tightly to the nail surface. Cure full 60 seconds. Question 3. Why do nail strip lift up? Nail strip attached to skin or cuticles, which makes it easier for water and air sneak in, causes the adhesive to weaken. Pick the correct size and place the strip 1 mm from the edge of your nail. This simple trick prevents peeling. Question 4. How to choose the right size? Peel off a sticker and apply it to your nail surface. Use a pen to mark the width of both sides of the nail. Measure the marked width with a ruler. Then measure the width of a nail strip that matches the width of your nail using the ruler. You can select the most suitable size for your nails. What if the size is too big? Trim the excess edges with scissors. Then press firmly to save your design. Tip: when the nail strip is either too large or too small, it is recommended to choose the smaller ones, which prevents the nail strip from sticking to the skin. Question 6. How to remove bubbles from nail strip? Choose a nail strip of the right size and apply it. Press from center to edges at an angle, pushes air out like toothpaste, until no visible bubbles can be seen on the surface. Roll side to side with stick, seals edges bubble-free. Finally, use the other end of the stick to gently flatten the edge position. Cure it for 60 seconds, rotate your fingers to ensure even curing, and you'll get a perfect bubble-free manicure. Question 6. Can nail strip work as extensions? Not recommended. While nail strip harden after curing, they still lack the structural strength and flexibility of nail extensions, making them prone to bending and peeling off during daily activities. If you want to use the strips as nail extensions, it is best to keep length under 2 mm and reinforce with top coat. Question 7. How long do nail strip last? How to extend their durability? Nail strip usually stay on for 7-14 days, and they can last longer with proper application steps. You can apply a layer of top coat over the nail strip to enhance durability and add shine. Question 8. How to store used nail stickers? Put the used nail strip into the film container. Peel off the sticker and seal the opening of the film container. Place them back into the original box and store in a dark place. This storage method preserves nail strip adhesion, and it won't affect your next application. Question 9. How to remove nail strip? We broke down 6 gentle, damage-free removal methods in our last video. Click on the video link to go and choose the gel nail removal method that suits you best. Now you're armed with nail strip hack to dodge disasters and slay all day. Comment your sticker wins or fails. Below, let's nail this together.